As a project management expert, I understand the critical importance of having the right tools at your disposal without breaking the bank. When it comes to office productivity suites, the name Zoho often surfaces, touted as a comprehensive alternative to the giants in the field. A question that frequently arises, especially for individuals, startups, and educational institutions operating on tight budgets, is Zoho Office truly free? Let's delve deep into this question, dissecting the various offerings within the Zoho Office suite and clarifying what free actually entails in this context. We'll navigate through the different plans, features, and limitations, ensuring you have a clear understanding of whether Zoho Office can meet your needs without incurring any costs. Understanding the Zoho ecosystem. Before we zoom in on the free aspect, it's crucial to understand that Zoho is a vast ecosystem of business software. From customer relationship management, CRM, and marketing automation to project management and finance, Zoho offers a wide array of interconnected applications. The Zoho Office suite is a part of this larger ecosystem, comprising essential productivity tools like word processing, spreadsheets, and presentations. This integration is one of Zoho's key strengths. The ability for these office applications to seamlessly interact with other Zoho services can significantly enhance productivity and streamline workflows, particularly for businesses already invested in the Zoho ecosystem. The core of Zoho Office: Writer, Sheet, and Show. The fundamental components of the Zoho Office suite that directly compete with Microsoft Office and Google Workspace are Zoho Writer, a robust word processor capable of handling everything from simple documents to complex reports. It offers features like collaborative editing, real-time commenting, extensive formatting options, and integration with Zoho Sign for digital signatures. Zoho Sheet, a powerful spreadsheet application equipped with a wide range of formulas, charting tools, data analysis features, and the ability to handle large datasets. Collaboration and real-time co-editing are also key aspects. Zoho Show, a versatile presentation software that allows users to create visually engaging slideshows with various themes, transitions, animations, and multimedia integration. It also supports remote presentation capabilities. Now, let's address the burning question. Are these core applications available for free? The Zoho Workplace Free Plan. A closer look. Yes, Zoho does offer a free plan under its Zoho Workplace umbrella. This free plan provides access to the online versions of Zoho Writer, Zoho Sheet, and Zoho Show for up to 5 users. This is a significant offering, especially for small teams, educational groups, or individuals who need essential office productivity tools without a subscription fee. However, it's crucial to understand the limitations associated with this free plan. Number of users. The most significant limitation is the 5-user cap. If your team or organization exceeds this number, you will need to consider a paid plan. Storage space. The free plan typically comes with a limited amount of shared storage across all 5 users. This storage is usually in the range of 5 GB per user, totaling 25 GB for the entire free account. For teams dealing with large files or extensive document storage needs, this might become restrictive. Email hosting. The free plan does not include custom domain-based email hosting. You will receive Zoho Mail accounts with a zoho.com domain. While functional, this might not be ideal for professional branding. Advanced features. Certain advanced features within Writer, Sheet, and Show, such as mail merge in Writer, advanced charting in Sheet, or premium templates in Show, might be restricted to paid plans. Integrations. While the core Zoho applications integrate well within the Zoho ecosystem, the free plan might have limitations on integrations with third-party applications compared to the paid tiers. Support. Technical support for free users is usually limited to online resources and community forums, with potentially slower response times compared to paid subscribers. Who is the Zoho Workplace free plan ideal for? Despite its limitations, the Zoho Workplace free plan is an excellent option for small teams and startups. Teams of up to 5 members who need basic office productivity tools for collaboration on documents, spreadsheets, and presentations. Educational institutions, schools, Colleges and universities can leverage the free plan for small groups of students or faculty for collaborative projects and assignments. Individual users, freelancers, consultants, or individuals who need a reliable and feature-rich office suite for personal or professional use without the need for a large number of users or extensive storage. Nonprofit organizations. Small nonprofits with limited budgets can benefit from the free plan for their basic office productivity needs. Beyond the free plan, exploring Zoho's paid offerings. Zoho offers various paid plans for Zoho Workplace, catering to different needs and scales. These plans typically unlock more features, increase storage limits, provide custom domain-based email hosting, offer enhanced integrations, and include more comprehensive support. Here's a general overview of what you can expect from Zoho's paid plans. Note that specific features and pricing may vary, so it's always best to check the official Zoho website for the most up-to-date information. Zoho Workplace Standard. This plan usually offers more storage per user, e.g., 30 gigabytes or more, custom email domains, enhanced collaboration features, and a wider range of integrations. It's suitable for growing teams that need more robust communication and collaboration tools. Zoho Workplace Professional. This tier typically includes even more storage, e.g., 100 gigabytes or more, advanced email features like e-discovery and archiving, more sophisticated security controls, and access to the full suite of Zoho Workplace applications, including Zoho Connect, team collaboration platform, and Zoho Meeting, video conferencing. This plan is designed for larger organizations with more complex needs. Other specialized plans. Zoho may also offer industry-specific or tailored plans with features relevant to particular sectors.